Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the box and going straight to settings on the Airtel Xstream home screen. Use the remote to highlight the gear icon. Don't browse apps first. Once in settings, sign in if the box asks. This ensures the menu shows all options. You're doing this now because the voice assistant toggle sits inside accessibility or voice settings. Make sure the remote batteries are charged so your navigation stays responsive and you can complete the next step without interruption. Now you navigate to accessibility or voice control within settings. These labels vary by firmware, so look for either one. Use arrow keys to move through the list and press OK to open the voice assistant or voice guidance option. Once the voice option appears, you'll see an on/off toggle or a submenu for voice feedback. Toggle it to off. Keep an eye on screen prompts. Some boxes ask to confirm or restart the app, and if prompted, accept to apply the change immediately. Finish by confirming the toggle is off and then restart the Xstream box to ensure the setting takes effect across the system. Once done, test by pressing the voice button. Nothing should activate. If voice still responds, check the remote's voice shortcut in remote settings that can override accessibility toggles. If problems continue, try clearing app cache or rebooting the router. As a last resort, factory reset will remove persistent settings. Make sure you back up preferences before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.